What are LLMs and how we can beat them? This is what we will be covering in this video. So basically, LLM stands for Large Language Model. It is a type of AI which is trained on huge data sets through machine learning. Where does the data come from? Humans, right? It means that we are still far more superior. We are still ahead of AI. We are still better than AI because it is learning from the data which we are producing, whether it is content on the social media, whether it is blogs on websites, or whether it is anything. It learns from data, and the data comes from human. It means that we are still far more superior than AI. So 50% of your problem is solved there right now, and the other 50% is the most important part, because it brings me to extract a result that your prompts should be good enough in triggering those algorithms in that AI, so it can use its huge data set and extract the best data from it and create a content by using that data set. Okay, so that's how you are going to create mind-blowing results with the help of AI. So ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, all of these tools are LLMs and they work the same. There is no difference in that. Okay, and this is what I call a human AI collaboration, because AI has a power to process a massive amount of data set at once, but humans can do that. On the other hand, humans have an ability to think which AI can't. AI has the data, but it cannot create something from that data set on its own. It still needs some triggers, some inputs, some prompts to create that amazing output from that huge data set. Okay, so the only way by which you can beat an LLM is by making your prompts good enough in triggering those algorithms. So AI use its fullest potential, its fullest capabilities to extract and to create content for you, and that's how you are going to beat an LLM. And this is one of the single way, I should say the most important or the only way you can beat an LLM.